Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today. I have a bunch of stuff that I bought from Neiman Marcus and something that I bought from Tom Ford website. So we'll start with something that I got from Neiman Marcus and came in this small package. There it is, there's me. And I think this came from not a Neiman Marcus warehouse, but a mall, like where they have a store. Oh wow, okay, so here we go. Here's a tie, and there's an invoice. Yeah, okay. Here's the tie. And it's like black and blue check. Oh man, it looks awesome. So I'll just kind of unfold it. There it is. And there's some information. 100% silk, made in Italy. And Tom Ford label. Looks like another like Tom Ford label. Dark blue. Yeah, it's dark blue and black check. So there's a close-up. And this looks awesome. I guess from a distance it would look black, but it kind of looks navy. It's definitely coming out more navy on camera. Okay, so that's the first tie. I think this is my other tie I got from I'm not sure if this came from a warehouse or the mall. I know 3 of the 5 items that I bought from Neiman Marcus came from a mall. Okay, so there's an invoice in here. Okay, so this tie came in a box. Neiman Marcus. Doesn't really say anything. Okay, there's a receipt. Okay. A receipt they taped to the label for some reason. I'm just going to take that off because I think it has like order information on it. But here we go. It's a black and white check. And this is awesome. It feels very different. This one has texture, and this one is more flat, but has some texture. So probably like the other 100% silk, made in Italy, Tom Ford label, and this label. Don't know why it says dark blue check. I think this one said the same thing, but oh no, it's different. Well, on the website it said black and white, and it looks black and white, so because that's what I wanted. This is awesome. I think this is my favorite of the 2. And oh, there's another detail. Tom Ford. Right there. I think it says it on the other one too. Which one do you guys like more? I love them both, but definitely like this one more. So now, since we're doing Tom Ford stuff, I'll open the underwear I got from Tom Ford's website. So there's show me my name, and then again TFI. T is probably Tom, F Ford, and I guessed before it's probably international, but who knows? It's always nice presentation when you get it from Tom Ford. Okay, so these are a 2-pack of the Modal briefs. I don't have these yet. It's the top of the box, the front, bottom, and the sides, Tom Ford, the back. Okay, let's check these out. Okay. Wow, definitely different material, and they look like a different cut than the others I have, than the cotton ones that I have. This definitely looks like a different cut. Wow, these are so light too. You know, Tom Ford, made in Bosnia and Herzegovina. The back, the crotch area. See the stitching there. Yeah, they feel lighter. They feel very silky. Here's the other pair. Okay, so those are the Modal briefs. Okay, so I'm not sure what's in this box. Here's another box from Neiman Marcus. Okay, nice. It's my Creed leather sleeve for perfume. This came in the box. Oh, wait. I hope I didn't just show something. Oh, well. There was an invoice, a little invoice thing, and here's like a thank you note. So here's the Creed box. Okay, it's kind of focusing now. This was sold out on Creed's website, so I had to get it from Neiman Marcus. And here you go. Whoa. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I know it looked great on the website, but... And it's thick. It has like a lot of girth, which I guess it would have to. This is to fit the 50 ml bottle. It's got texture. You can see it. I guess that's like a plume or coat of arms. Creed. It says Creed throughout. Oh, and it's magnetized. Yeah. It's leather, but the inside's like some kind of suede. And in there, I don't know if you guys can see that. Made in Spain. There it is. I was there for a moment. Well, it said made in Spain there. And let's see if I can get one to fit in there. Okay, I have a 50 milliventus. Okay, it's kind of awkward, but nice. Wait a minute. Well, okay. Doesn't go in all the way. And it kind of does, but because of the cap, it like makes this like not go all the way. Do you guys see that? It's still closing, but I love this. I love the blue color on this. It's just awesome. Okay. Another thing from Neiman Marcus. Okay, so I got another one of these things and another invoice. And this is a tie bar. Bergdorf Goodman. That's the brand. So it's the store brand, Bergdorf Goodman. And all right, here we go. It's hammered. That's the style. And it's textured. It's got the hammered look throughout. I think on the underside it's just solid. Like yeah. Wow, nice. So if you just imagine using it, put it on here, pretty nice. Okay, and I have one more package. Also from Neiman Marcus. And these are briefs, Aquarelli hibiscus. On their boxer briefs, I forgot that. I ordered all of this stuff like around Christmas time, so, and I just started receiving it, so I had forgotten about some of it. Tom Ford. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. They're like a camouflage color. But I really like the pattern. It's Tom Ford. Tom Ford, made in Bosnia and Herzegovina. And I'll take a look at the stitching. Well, guys, that was my unboxing of some items I got from Neiman Marcus and Tom Ford. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.